Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about Yuri Gagarin. So if you want to learn everything about Yuri Gagarin, then be with this video till end. So why don't we get started? Yuri Gagarin. Who was Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet pilot and cosmonaut. He was born on 9th of March 1934 in Clusido, Russia. Clusido is a village which is 100 miles west from Moscow. His full name was Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin. He was the first person to travel in space. His father's name was Alexey Ivanovich Gagarin. His mother's name was Anna Timofeyevna Gagarina. About Yuri Gagarin's family, Yuri Gagarin spent his childhood on a collected farm. His father worked as a carpenter and bricklayer. His siblings were Boris Gagarin, Valentin Gagarin, and Zoya Gagarin. His mother worked as milkmaid. Yuri Gagarin was the third of four children. Yuri Gagarin education. Yuri Gagarin graduated as a molder from a trade school which was near Moscow in the year 1951. He continued his studies at the Industrial College at Saratov and then he took the course in flying. Yuri Gagarin's space mission. Yuri Gagarin flew only one space mission. His first and the last space mission was Vostok 1. It was the mission of Yuri Gagarin in which he became the first person to travel in space. This space mission took place on April 12, 1961. In this mission, he circled Earth at a speed of 27,400 km per hour. How was Yuri Gagarin chosen to go to space? When Soviet Union decided to send a person to space, a secret nationwide selection process was started in 1960 in which Yuri Gagarin and 19 other pilots were chosen. How did Yuri Gagarin die? Yuri Gagarin died on March 27, 1968 at the age of 34 years. He died with a pilot named Vladimir Serozhin. Vladimir Serozhin was a Soviet test pilot. The reason of his death was an aviation incident. You can also see the statue of Yuri Gagarin in Moscow, Russia. This statue is made up of titanium and a metal which is oftentimes used in spacecraft. If you want to learn about Neil Armstrong, then check out this video right over here. And we are having a lot of videos on our playlist, famous people and personalities. Also check out our playlist. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.